Dave from Safety Dave and Safety Tyre, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a tyre pressure monitoring system on your car and caravan. Firstly, we have an instruction manual detailing everything you might need to know about using and maintaining your TPMS. We have numbered tyre sensors with batteries. These come preset and programmed for you. Should you need to reprogram them at a later point, the manual includes these instructions. They are also available in video form on our YouTube channel. We have a storage bag for your monitor. We have spare batteries. We have spare parts. Here is the monitor and monitor mount. It is the most important part of the whole system. We have a USB charger adapter as well as a 12-volt charger. We also have a booster cigarette lighter adapter. In addition, the kit includes a double offset spanner, the only tool needed if choosing to use the protective caps for the tyre sensors, which are optional to use. They may not be suitable for all cars. We also have the brass nuts, which serve as an anti-theft tool. And now for the installation. The first thing we do is take the valve cap off. The next step is to install sensor number 1, which is on the right-hand side at the front of the car. We repeat this step with odd numbers to the right and even numbers to the left. On the caravan, it's much of the same. Odd numbers to the right and even numbers to the left. Finally, let's install the monitor in the car. Monitor and sensors installed. If you have any questions, please feel free to call Safety Tyre on 1800 87 67 00 or visit our website at safe-t-tyre.com.au.